In this video, you will learn how to delete TapTap Send transfer history. First, open the TapTap Send app. Launch the TapTap Send app or log in to the website and log in using your email or password or your credentials. Go to the menu. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the home screen to access the app's settings and features. Select transfer history. Scroll and tap on the transfer history or transaction history option, depending to view your past transfers. Choose a transfer to delete. Tap on the specific transfer you wish to delete, or you can select multiple entries if you want to bulk delete them. Tap delete or remove option. Look for the delete icon or the trash bin symbol, where you can confirm when prompted to delete the selected transactions. Confirm deletion. A confirm screen will pop up. Tap yes and confirm to permanently remove the history entry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.